Alright guys, I'm back on the channel. I've been away for a little while. I've got a lot going on. Sportsman, a little update with that car. We raced all year. Finished 10th in points. I'm not racing the last 2 years, or the 2 nights. We broke a ring, I believe. It has a bunch of flow by, so we're just going to sit that one out. But Matt Hannon contacted me and wants me to race his cars for the last 2 weeks, so I'm going back to Pro4 in a Cavalier. So as you can see, it's a car in the back, 32. But we're at Beasley tonight for the Pepsi Nationals. I'll be piloting the 32 from Matt Hannon. So thank you, Matt, for allowing me to ride the car. Yeah, so we're going to go hot lap qualify, I believe, and then we'll see where we go from there, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, qualifying's done. I qualified, I think 6th out of, I don't know how many cars. I'll have to look at it again. But that puts us starting 2nd row outside in heat number 2 with fast cars ahead of me. So we'll see what we get done here. Give it our shot. Luckily we don't have to race Lightning and Clean in the heat race. But we'll see in the future. Alright, we're racing this on the Hannon Racing car. Finished 4th in the heat. Tacked up track. Pretty fast. Couldn't get around Bryce. Had nothing for him. So we start 8th? Did I start 8th? Yeah, start 8th as a feature, so see you out there and see how we do.
in the 5th spot, 4th spot, whatever. Right there. He's in 4th right now. Morgan, Mike McGinnity's racing. Uh-oh. That was a crash. Oh, okay.
Hey, Morgan. Mike McGinnity's racing.
Alright guys, I'm gonna close this video out. I'm headed out of the track. They're still racing. Put my stuff up. I'm gonna go back and hang out for a little while. Watch. Started 8th in the feature with a few cautions and some people dropping out. I got up to 3rd on the restart. I had a good start. Entered in the bottom 1 and 2 for first, or battling with first, and the car bogged down. I didn't have nothing for him. Congratulations, Austin Harris. Yeah, he won. Hang on, my sister's yelling at me. Trying to rush down here because tomorrow, news to everybody. Some people might know, some people might not, but I'm expecting twin boys November. So tomorrow's baby shower, so I'm gonna try to get home so I can do some cleaning tomorrow, but surprise to everybody on the channel. But yeah, we finished 3rd tonight, Pepsi Nationals. First time I've ever finished Pepsi Nationals, which is amazing. Last time, I think I raced Pepsi Nationals, we got disqualified for tire pressure. We all know how that went, and got wrecked. But it's a good night. Thank you, Matt Hannon, for letting me race your car. Hopefully you guys can see stuff from the GoPro, but it got caked with mud because I was in traffic. But I'm signing out, so you guys can like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys with the modified next.